Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping Spotify from auto-playing suggested songs. This is a feature that annoys a lot of people because they only want to hear the music they like, not Spotify's suggestions. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll show you how to do it on both the Spotify desktop app and the Spotify mobile app. On PC, launch Spotify and make sure you are logged in to your account. Where it says your name at the top right of the screen, tap the arrow button and then select Settings. Scroll down nearly all the way until you see the Autoplay section. Disable the option called Autoplay Similar Songs when your music ends. This will stop Spotify from auto-playing random music. To do this on mobile, launch the Spotify app and log in to your account. From the home page of Spotify, tap the Settings button at the top right of the screen. Scroll down quite a long way until you see the autoplay option and make sure you disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.